What's up, everybody? Brian here with Attention to Details in Chesterton on this beautiful Thursday morning. We've got a lot going on, so we just want to run through a few things to show you what's happening. Here we have the 2019 Tesla Model S. We've done another vehicle for this client as well, and they've got a Porsche, I believe they're getting, that we're going to be wrapping here soon. But this vehicle here has been well used. Lots of rock chips, gloss black obviously, front bumper, peppered, hood, multiple places throughout the rockers. So the clear wasn't a really good candidate for it, plus they wanted something different. So we offered them the stealth. They like the look. Is it perfect? Quality of our film is, but the imperfections in the paint looks way better than doing the clear. We did touch up and stuff like that, but it's come out great. Now the next step that we're getting ready to do, this will probably start tomorrow. We're doing all the chrome blackout delete in a gloss matte to kind of match the sheen of the xpel Stealth. Putting different cameras in it because these were chrome, so we're waiting for those to come in. But the car came out really good, very tasteful. Everything wrapped inside the door handles. We removed badges, the whole 9 yards. Then this will need a bath once we're done, and it'll be delivered to its customer. So we've got this one right here, and then we're going to walk over here and show you what's going on. And over here we have a 2024 Chev Z71 that we're getting ready to get staged and prepped for a 8-year xpel fusion ceramic coating. Rim off ceramic coating with the 4 years, the only way it should be done. Rims off, done the proper way. And that's what the client wanted on this one, so they're going to be getting ready this. I'm not too big on showing my plans, but we're very excited because this has been a long time coming. Kenny's going to shoot the camera back here. Just going to touch on this a little bit. We are expanding. So very excited. It's already started. And this will be a complete PPF state-of-the-art room like you've seen nothing around in Northwest Indiana. That's all I'll say on it now, but we'll continue as it grows to show you more. Then we're going to walk inside here real quick. Got a full house today. So in here we have the 2024 Ford Raptor Type R. The client come to us when he first bought it, and all we did was the hood he wanted done. We had to remove all the graphics because he didn't like them, and then we did the bedsides. Loved the product so much, then he decided to bring it back, so we fully wrapped this thing. All the yellow tape that you see on all these vehicles are a quality control system that is first checked, and then another guy set his eyes on it, go in and do whatever we have to do. So this truck will be leaving, I believe, Friday or Saturday, just doing some final touches, then it needs its bath and window tint on it. So we got this one. Then we got Jay here working on this. Is a 2022 Dodge RT 392 that we are doing xpel frontal on this one here. This will be leaving, I think, Monday. But Jay's just finishing up on the front bumper, doing his magic. And then over here we have the new 2024 Kia EV9 Land, I believe it's called. It's a new edition because they come out last year, but this is the Land edition that we've completely fully wrapped in xpel Ultimate Plus Fusion, wrapped all edges, debadged. Jose's now finishing off his tint work on this with xpel XR Black, 20% ceramic film. This will be leaving sometime today, and then we've got two brand new 2024 Telluride SUVs that are being fully wrapped. So those will be dropped off today. Got a lot of shit on the go, guys. Over here we're gonna be working on the 2024 Cadillac CT V4 Blackwing.
CT4V. CT4V.
How many cars were made on this, Kenny? Did you say it was like 2,500? 3,000 cars made in this spec, and I think this is car number 250. Not that that's a big deal, but I'm into stuff like this. But the car is absolutely stunning. So we're doing a full frontal, which is what we thought we were doing, and I was on the phone last night with the client. This client actually lives in Utah. He buys his stuff wherever he gets it, and this is, I think, the second or third car we've done for this guy, but he brings them to us to wrap and protect the proper way. So it started out with the full frontal rockers. Now we're going to be probably adding doors to it, roof line, rear wing. It's got the really cool specced out carbon seats in the back here. So we're going to be, oh, that's locked, sorry. We're going to be doing the back carbon seats, wrapping those protection from the kids inside, window tint, and a bunch of other little things. So this has been a really cool project that we're doing, and we'll keep you informed on this. Another thing I want to tell you on our social media, guys, go into our Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, all of the social media platforms. Check us out, hit the like button, leave comments. It helps us with a lot of our algorithm and stuff like that. But all the photos you see on there, dozens, thousands actually, hundreds, are actual cars that we've done. We are Northwest Indiana's premier PPF shop. It's what we do, it's what we specialize in, period. All jobs come with wrapped edges everywhere, and then we have another job that we can do on your car, which we explain. I won't get too far on it, but if you want to go really crazy, we start taking stuff apart if you want an even more seamless fit. So if you want that work done, give us a call at 219-628-0288, 419 Council Drive, Chesterton, Indiana. We are the only attention to details in Indiana, period. We're not associated with any other shop that uses our name. We are up and above in the PPF world. I recommend stop going off pricing and look at the quality of install and work. You get what you pay for. Even if you choose not to use us, come to our establishment. At all times, we have 3 to 4 cars at all times being PPF, from simple front bumpers to completely full wrap and custom jobs. Come in, we have nothing to hide. Look at our job. What you see is how it's going to be and how it should be. So come down, do yourself a favor before you commit, and look what it's supposed to be. It is an expensive, pricey add-on to your vehicle for the only true protection. So you want to get your money's worth. You want to have a good film, and you also want to have, the biggest part of all of it is install quality. So come down and check our work out firsthand, see the difference for yourself. Let's book you right in and get it protected the right way. For now, love and happiness, peace.